Good morning, Jupiter. I'm Jason Davuler.
I'm Savannah Ahern.
And I'm Noah Milner with your news for Friday, May 8th, 2020. Dual enrollment students JHS will not be collecting your PBSC textbooks until there's a plan for their return. Just keep the books somewhere safe until a plan is released.
Congratulations, class of 2021. You're almost a senior, and we have some very important information regarding your senior portraits. Please go to caddy.com/2021 for a 90-second video from our school's exclusive photographer, Caddy Studios. Be sure to watch the entire video and fill out the contact form so you can receive information on how to schedule your senior portraits. Also, school may be closed, but Inkwell is still open. Submit your writing and art before the school year ends. To submit, head over to jupiterinkwell.com.
Make sure to head to Jupiter Inkwell. Are you ready to help others? Upcoming juniors and seniors, do you want to promote positivity on the campus of Jupiter High School? Well, we need you in Jupiter PALS Peer Mentoring Program. Please email Ms. Byers for class information and applications, Lori.BURSOBYERS@palmbeachschools.com. Even though your course selection sheets have been turned in, you can still be added to this elective class. Please contact ASAP if you are interested in joining.
Now, something that Noah and I are both very excited about, we would like to congratulate the 2021 War Cry newspaper staff.
Online editor-in-chief Katie Hebert,
Print editors-in-chief Casey Barnes and Gianna Bleferi,
photo editor Kaisa Fleming, photo manager Logan Delphine.
Oh, and that's interesting. Design editor, our very own Noah Milner. Congratulations, Noah.
Thank you. Managing editor Antonia Davini.
Breaking news editor Lori Mermet.
Would you look at that? Our school news editor is none other than our very own Jason Davuler.
News managers are Savannah Woods and Angelina Genosi.
The lifestyle/A&E editor is Brianna Leary.
The features editor is Addie Kondike.
Our feature managers are Nikki Christie and Peyton Weiss.
Our sports editors are Gianna Greco and Carson Ilhard.
And our incoming staffers are Chase Baxter, Elizabeth Dinau, Aiden Drushel, Olivia Gilbert, Ava Goforth, Haley Grimes, Iman Kimball, Ruby Monteith, and Kira Parker.
And congratulations to the 2021 Chieftain Yearbook staffers. The staffers are Skylar Alverson, Brody Burton, Rachel Bonner, Annika Espenship, Luca Gonzalez, Sloan Govin, Brooke Huggins, Aisha Scott, Nina Torres, and Evan Wester.
Registration for fall dual enrollment opens May 21st. You need to contact your counselor through email to get the correct paperwork. Information on requirements for dual enrollment can be found on the Jupiter High website and on the dual enrollment page of PBSC's website. Registration will go through the summer, but the earlier you sign up, the better.
And happy birthday to Ryan B., Jose C., Ryan C., Nicholas C., Gianna D., Chandler E., Tasman F., Connor H., Taylor J., Kimberly L., John M., Alexa M., Alexander M., and Maxwell R.
Happy birthday. And to end Teacher Appreciation Week, Mr. Fleming has shared a message of appreciation for our seniors. That's going to conclude the news, and have a great weekend, Warriors.
Welcome, seniors, and congratulations on your big day. See, both of us are graduating together, you and me. You from your 12 to 13 years of education and from Jupiter High, and me, 37 years of teaching and from Jupiter High. We are locked together, and I am so proud of that. The fact that the class of 2020, which of course we know means perfect vision, is just that. You guys have gone through so much, and you're about to embark on the most exciting time of your life. It is a chapter with so much potential, and I have no doubt that you will succeed. I taught close to 200 of you last year, between 6 classes, and then the Saturday sessions, from March, April, May to get ready for that AP exam. I've also watched so many of you participate in sports and music and drama programs. You're an exciting group, and you have so much ahead of you. Now, just think also, it's never too late to say thank you and please, especially to the people that got you to this point. I know myself, in graduating here in a little bit into the world of retirement, I have people to thank, mostly my family, but also a certain group of friends that are so close to me that helped me through all these times. And you, the students, I thank so much. You see, I never went to work in 37 years. I had a career. What a difference that is. Hopefully you will find that also. As a history teacher, you teach about different generations. And most historians now think your great-grandparents' generation, so nicknamed the greatest generation, is just that. As children, they went through the Great Depression. They avenged a terrible sneak attack and then freed a continent gone mad. When that was over, they rebuilt that continent and protected it. Came home, bought houses, started families, and continued on. They are a great generation. But the first few chapters of your generation is just as impressive. You are the children born of 9/11. You don't know what it's like to go through airports without security and so on, and be scared of terrorism. You've watched family and friends and neighbors relatives go off to 2 endless wars. And just a few years ago, you went through the Great Recession, and those of us that live in Jupiter know how hard that hit us. And now you had this crazy coronavirus, which took away the second half of your senior year, the best half of your senior year. Now it's your time to continue on those chapters. Okay, you will have the question ahead. You will have the question now, which is going to be asked to you that no one else knew before, because you're going to be asked whether it is a job interview, entering Greek life, scholarship applications, the same questions always asked. What was your biggest challenge and how did you face it? All you've got to say is, well, my senior year, and finish out the blank to that. How great are you going to be? It's up to you. As we both walk that stage, I know I'm proud to say, yes, I graduated in 79 and 83 and 88 for my master's. But in 20, I walked with a great senior class. One more thing. Do you know how cool your reunions are going to be? You will have the greatest class reunions because what you were not allowed to do now. Your 10 and 20 year reunions will be just unbelievable. Stay true to yourselves. Never say it's too old to say thank you and please. And good luck, my friends, as we walk the stage together.